Looking to earn extra cash and reach your financial goals faster? Online surveys offer a convenient solution. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost, each with its own availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey sites, consider factors such as reputation, survey frequency, and payout options. To maximize your earnings, complete profiles thoroughly, leverage free offers, and prioritize high-paying surveys. Adopt best practices like using a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Be cautious of warning signs such as membership fees, lack of reviews, requests for sensitive data, or challenging qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate, typically taking 15 to 20 minutes each. Some sites even offer instant cash or bonus points. Companies value your input, paying for surveys to gather market research and consumer feedback. Start making money today by sharing your opinions through online surveys.